An effective journaling practice is about way more than sitting down with a pretty notebook for a Dear Diary session. There, I said it. Hi, it's Daire here, brain and biz coach for coaches, healers, and behind the scenes bitches. If you follow me over on Instagram, you will know that I am probably the world's biggest journaling fan. I mean, I think I show up pretty much every day in my Instagram stories with pictures of my journal prompts, journal takeaways, and it is because I know just how game changing it can be to integrate this one little practice into your daily routine. I get it. Just journal on it is probably the least helpful advice you will ever receive. And yet, it's something that we hear all the time in books, courses, personal development experiences. It's like the fallback advice and, kind of useless. However, journaling is powerful and it can be used to work through pretty much anything in your life, but you've got to do it with some intention. And that's something that we're going to dive into today. So, although you can use journaling, like I said, to work through anything and everything, we are going to specifically look at 3 different techniques that will help you use journaling to upgrade your mood, upgrade your mindset, and clear space for achieving all of your big, fabulous business goals. So let's start with the compliment stash. How do you act when you receive a compliment? Do you say thank you or no? I'm guessing no. Most people that I work with react in one of 2 ways when they receive a compliment. Either they qualify it or they bat it right back. So what does that mean? So when you're qualifying a compliment, it's like saying, so if someone's like, Dara, you look really great in that poncho. That poncho is great. Instead of just saying, thank you, I agree, or just thank you, I would say, oh, like I got it on sale, or it doesn't really fit me anymore. I would qualify it, I would explain it away. And then batting it back is if someone's like, that poncho looks great on you, so flattering, I would be like, no, your poncho looks great. Look at you. You are looking great today. Instead of just saying thank you and receiving the compliment. Now, how do you think you are going to be able to receive money or opportunities or collaboration requests or sales if you can't receive kind words? That is the point of the compliment stash. And what it involves is simply collecting compliments. So when you receive these kind words, these compliments, note them down on the inside cover of your journal. That way, every single day when you crack open that spine to get your journaling done, you will see the kind words that others have for you, the way they see you, and you will train yourself to be more comfortable with the receiving. When you can receive what people say, you can receive more abundance, more connections, more opportunities, more invitations, all of those things that we dream of when we have these big business goals. And as an added bonus, it also serves as an excellent daily reminder of just how excellent you are. Okay, now let's talk about journaling technique number 2, scripting. Scripting is a journaling process that involves getting intimate with your goals. I want you to take a second just to think about how you currently articulate your goals when you say them out loud. You say things like, I want to, I wish, I desire, I would like, all very future-based words. And when you use words like this, what you are doing on a subconscious level is creating distance between you and your goal. When you script, you write those goals out in the present tense, and it makes your brain click into gear and think, yes, this is possible for me now, so that you can actually go out there and do the thing and actually believe that you can do the thing, because belief is the thing that will make or break this whole deal. So let's practice. I want you to take one of the goals that you currently have. It might be something that you've already started working on. It might be something that's just been in the back of your mind. Either one of those options is absolutely fine. And just close your eyes, take a deep breath in, let it out, and Allow yourself to envision achieving that goal. So in your mind's eye, notice what you would see in the moment of achieving that goal. Notice what you would hear in the moment of achieving that goal. Notice what you would smell in the moment of achieving that goal. Notice what you would taste in the moment of achieving that goal. And last but not least, notice what you would feel in the moment of achieving that goal. Next, just take a moment to think about the ripple effect of achieving that goal. How would it impact those who live in your home? How would it impact your wider friends and family? How would it impact your community? How would it impact your client? How would it impact your future and the possibilities that will open up for you? How will it impact your health? How will it impact the amount of fun that you have in your life? Okay, now you can open up your eyes and write out that vision in as much detail as you can in the present tense. Write it all out as if it's happening now and really allow yourself to feel the feelings as you do. My biggest tip is to commit to this step as a habit and continue to script your goal daily. So every single day, rewrite that vision script. And when you achieve that vision, you can watch this video again, go through the process again, and create a new vision statement. Before you know it, that goal of yours will become an absolute done deal. If you are all about the simple tips to help you change your business and change your life, I want you to go ahead and give me a thumbs up and a subscribe right now so that I know to keep creating content like this just for you. Okay, journaling technique number 3. This one is the victory log. So answer me this. How often do you tick something off your to-do list or your goals list only to speed straight into the next thing? I'm guessing there are going to be hands up all around. Like, don't worry about it. I have done the same many a time in the past. But what that does when you prevent yourself from really celebrating your achievements is it can make you feel like you're never quite enough, like you're never quite moving fast enough, you're never achieving what you would need to achieve. When in reality, you actually are. You are doing amazing things. You have a load of momentum and you are like chopping through that to-do list left, right, and center. But it doesn't feel like that's the case if you never actually pause, breathe, and celebrate. What I found through working with a whole bunch of different clients is that forcing yourself into whatever's next is where the overwhelm or the apathy sets in. And that's something that we really want to avoid, because in this game of running your own business, we want you to be feeling as good as possible. And this is a really simple technique that will help you do just that. And all it involves is taking a few moments just before you shut down for the day and writing a list of 3 victories. Just 3 things that you've done during the day that you could consider a win. They could be big, they could be small, it doesn't matter, but make this a habit to celebrate those wins, log those victories, and give yourself a big old pat on the back for continuing to make moves towards your goals. And as an added bonus, this is a great resource to flip back through whenever you start feeling a little bit stuck or unmotivated or things aren't happening at the speed that you would like. You can just rifle back through those pages and notice victory after victory after victory. There is nothing better for sparking new momentum. Making any or all of these journaling techniques a part of your regular daily practice will be an absolute game changer for your business and, to be honest, your life as a whole. That is a promise. If you need more ideas for your morning or evening journaling practice, then I highly recommend you check out Unshakable Journaling 365. It is a year's worth of potent journaling prompts to help you upgrade your mindset, expand your vision, create possibility, and really seal in all of those goals as a done deal. I've popped the link to that in the description box, so definitely go check that out now. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I've enjoyed talking about journaling, which is a whole lot. Before you take your leave, I would love for you to hit the comments right now and just tell me which one of these journaling techniques you're going to start implementing today. I'll see you next time.